Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. My name's Tobias and welcome to another Microphone Monday where I upload new microphone reviews and comparisons every Monday. And today what I have for you guys is a comparison between a channel favorite, the MAONO PM461TR, and the microphone that you are hearing right now, which is the MAONO AU-PM421. These are both USB condenser microphones by the brand MAONO, and this video was actually requested by one of you guys, so thank you so much for the suggestion. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Throughout this video, I'll be switching between the PM421 and the PM461TR. I think it'll be pretty easy for you guys to tell which one is which. The PM421 is on this boom arm stand and has the pop filter, and the PM461TR is just on this tripod desk stand. As usual, I'll be going over some of the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Then we'll do a side-by-side audio test where I'll switch between one microphone and the other pretty quickly so we can get an idea for how they sound next to each other. And then finally, I'll let you guys know which microphone you would be better off going with. And if at any point during this video you decide that you do like this video or that it helps you out, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like. That helped me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And let's jump into the similarities and differences. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the PM461TR. Let's go ahead and start off by looking at the Amazon pages for these two microphones. As you can see here, the PM461TR goes for $29.90, comes with free shipping, and the PM421 goes for $79.99 and also comes with free shipping. And I will have both of these Amazon pages linked down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out for yourself. And we are talking about a pretty big price difference here. I don't know if you guys could hear that bird, there's like a crow outside, which I'll just be talking over. But if we take a look at the PM461TR, it just comes with this tripod desk stand. The PM421 comes with the whole boom arm stand setup that clamps onto your desk. It also comes with a wind muff and a pop filter. The PM421 also has a shock mount. The PM461TR just comes with the wind muff. Both microphones do have a gain knob on the front of the microphone, which is really cool. And actually both microphones look very similar to each other. Although you'll notice that the PM421 also has a mute button on the front of the microphone as well. So I think that's pretty much all the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Let's go ahead and jump into our side-by-side audio test. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the PM421. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the noise floor. Okay, and now let's switch over to the PM461TR. So now the microphone we are listening to is the PM461TR. Let's go ahead and take a listen to that noise floor. Okay, let's go ahead and switch back over to the PM421. Now we're back at the PM421, and this is what it sounds like when I'm tapping on the keyboard right behind the microphone. And now we're back at the PM461TR, and this is how it sounds when I'm tapping on my keyboard right behind the microphone. And now we're back at the MAONO PM421, and this is how it sounds when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. Now we're back on the PM461TR, and this is how it sounds when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. And now we're back on the PM421. Let's go ahead and get our final listen in and try to decide which microphone sounds better. And let's go ahead and get our last listen into the PM461TR. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back and listen to all that audio that I just recorded, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I am using the MAONO AU-PM421 right now. And just to get to the bottom line real quick, I do think that the PM421 was the clear winner in this microphone comparison. I think it is the better sounding microphone. Not to say anything bad about the PM461TR, I still think that is a great sounding microphone for the price. It's the best USB condenser microphone that I have tested in that price range, but I do think that the PM421 is the better sounding microphone, which is, I guess, the expected result of this little comparison because it is, $50 more expensive than the PM461TR. But I guess the real question is it worth the extra $50? And in my opinion, I think that it is. I would say it's even worth $50, even just for the hardware that it comes with. The boom arm stand, I do think makes quite a big difference. I think the pop filter and the shock mount also make a pretty big difference. With the PM461TR, you do pick up quite a bit more noise from your desk, like if you tap on the desk or something like that, or accidentally bump the microphone. But one thing that I do want to mention really quick is that the build quality of, the stand and the shock mount that do come with the PM421 aren't that great. It's pretty much the same stuff that comes with all the MAONO condenser microphones. And I mentioned this in the last video that I made with the PM421. After only using this microphone a handful of times, the threading on the shock mount is already gone. I can't tighten that anymore. I can't angle the microphone, which is kind of a bummer. But aside from that, some of the specific things that I think are better about the PM421 is that, one, I feel like it has a much lower noise floor, and I feel like it also picks up less background noise. I specifically remember with the PM461TR, it was kind of picking up my air conditioner a little bit, while the PM421 didn't really pick up the air conditioner that much. But anyways, guys, I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know which microphone you think sounds better. Once again, I will have the Amazon pages for both of these microphones linked down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out for yourself. And if you guys did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!